American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a snack version of cinnamon rolls. These are really quite quick. You don't have to let the bread dough raise, and so let's get started.
Not too many ingredients. We need 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 2/3 cup or 90 grams of butter, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3 to 4 tablespoons cold water, soft butter to spread, 1/2 cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons cinnamon. Combine flour and salt. Cut in butter until mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Slowly add water. Knead until mixture comes together in a dough. Knead briefly. Roll out on a floured surface to between 1/4 and 1/8 of an inch. Brush with butter. Sprinkle with brown sugar. Sprinkle with cinnamon. Roll together. Use a butter knife or spatula to scrape dough off the surface if it sticks. Cut into inch-long sections and place in a baking dish. These won't spread, so place them as close together as you want. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. These are really delicious. They have all the flavor of cinnamon rolls with a flaky texture. They would be great for a party. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakerin germany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.